People don't know how to properly take care of a pet fish. For example, people will get goldfish, put them in a small bowl with tap water, and then a fish with a 20-year lifespan will die within a week. It's truly sad. The first thing people need to know before getting a fish is the nitrogen cycle. Fish produce ammonia as waste. Ammonia is toxic, but beneficial bacteria can break that ammonia down into nitrite, which is still toxic, and then finally nitrate. Nitrate is significantly less toxic than ammonia, but you'll still want to keep your ppm of nitrate low for your fish's health. Secondly, water parameters. Different fish need different pH, hardness, temperature, etc. But most of all, fish need stable water parameters. You'll have to monitor them. Thirdly, chlorine. Never use tap water because it has chlorine in it, and this will kill your fish. Always use a dechlorinator. Do your research. Before getting any pet, do your research.